Good morning, class. My name is Mr. Gearsley. We are going to talk about maths today. I have an idea. I'm going to ask Nigel Gearsley if I can use the bathroom, but in the meantime, I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Hey, Mr. Gearsley, please may I use the bathroom? Of course you can, Storm, but come straight back. Alright, here we go. A few minutes later... yes, there it is, the glorious fire alarm. So, before I do anything else, I need to make sure that nobody's watching me. And I don't think anybody is. Anyhow, it is time to put my plan into action. Ha 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 ha! Back in the classroom. Alright, class, the fire alarm has gone off. Please stay calm and walk quickly. Once they got outside... Okay, I made it. Okay, class. Now that we've made it outside, I need you to tell me that you're here. So, Winford, here. Aiken, present. Brick, why, yes. Storm, what? Where's Storm? Here I am, sir. Oh, Jackson Storm, there you are. Where were you? I was in the bathroom, don't you remember? Oh, yeah. Anyway, Storm, present. A few minutes later... Attention all cars. That was a false alarm. But, Jackson Storm, please report to my office immediately. Oh, shut up, Rick. A few minutes later... Hi, Principal Camino. Hello, Storm. So, do you know who pulled the fire alarm earlier? No. Why? Well, you might want to come look at this. Okay, what is it? You'll find out. On the security footage... yes, there it is, the glorious fire alarm. So, before I do anything else, I need to make sure that nobody's watching me. And I don't think anybody is. Anyhow, it is time to put my plan into action. Ha 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 ha! Back at the principal's office. That can't be me. I would never do a thing like that. Jackson Storm, how dare you pull a fire alarm when there wasn't actually a fire? That's it. I'm going to call Lightning McQueen about this. Go home now. Oh, great. Here we go again. When Jackson Storm got home... Jackson Storm, how dare you pull the fire alarm when there wasn't actually a fire? That's it. You are grounded for 5 days, and you will not play Minecraft or hang out with Francesco Bernoulli during that time. Go to your room right now. Fine. Screw you, McQueen. And don't talk like that to me either.